Hey buddy, tech enthusiasts! Are you tired of seeing smudges and fingerprints all over your precious gadgets? Well, I've got something that will make your cleaning routine a breeze. Introducing the Portronics Clean M. This incredible gadget cleaning kit is here to save the day and keep your beloved devices looking brand new. With its 8-in-1 functionality, number 1 cleaning keyboard using soft bristles, number 2 headphone cleaning, number 3 built-in key puller, number 4 screen cleaner with liquid refill availability, number 5 hold my phone, number 6 Velcro super fiber cloth, number 7 brush for earbuds, number 8 earbud charging case cleaner. The Portronics Clean M is a game changer. It's designed to clean your smartphone, tablet, laptop, and even your earbuds. This kit isn't just about cleaning, it's also about convenience. The Portronics Clean M comes with a built-in mobile holder, making it a versatile tool for both cleaning and hands-free device usage. Whether you're watching your favorite videos, video conferencing, or simply following a recipe while cooking, this kit has got you covered. But wait, there's more. The Portronics Clean M is incredibly compact and portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. It's your trusty companion for those on-the-go cleaning needs, so say goodbye to messy screens and hello to crystal clear displays with the Portronics Clean M multifunctional 8-in-1 gadget cleaning kit. Don't miss out on this must-have gadget cleaning essential. Click the link below to get your very own Portronics Clean M today. Thanks for watching.